Birdman 2020 0408 408 and this old school microphone getting on down. They put the screws back in. I'm getting a little slight hum, but they said they can't hear it on their end. How about that there 2020? How about that 2020 Birdman 408 the man cave, break. Alright, Birdman. Hey, Birdman, you sound all good back this way, man. I'm losing my audio again on this old mic. Hey, look. There we go. Yeah, you sound all good back this way, man. You all 10-2 in these Appalachian Mountains there. Just want to give you the wave, give you the bump down. Hope you're having a wonderful week. Old Birdman 2020 0408 the man cave on this old microphone getting on down. Conditions are getting in and out. Hey, Colt, man, need about a 500 watt dead key. Hey, Colt, man, need about a 500 watt dead key getting that 2020's received. 408 with the wave.
I heard somebody come back 956 east and this. Old Mother Nature ain't been friendly to me today. Old Mother Nature is not being friendly. 956 up here in the Carolina-Tennessee border, and I'm in the waiting room.
How about it, Colt, man? Hey, Colt, man, you got a copy on 408?
Hello, Mr. 2020. You sounding to us up here around the border on Tennessee. Happy 4th of July coming up around the corner, my friend. God bless you. 956 said it, and I'm gone. Happy 4th coming up also. 2020, Birdman. We're back around.
Hey, Colt, man, you got a copy on 408? Yeah, I was going to get a bump down with you. See if this thing was humming. Can you hear a hum in my audio?
No, sir. Clean and clear. All mine received. No doubt about it. Sounding choice over here, Roger.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I've got this old microphone I'm restoring there, and I hear a little bit of hum in my talkback. I didn't know if it was transmitting or just on my end. You take care, man. Enjoy that skip. Enjoy your hobby. Old 408 with the wave and this old man cave on this old school 1960 microphone. Read your mail.
Well, yeah, we're good. No, 408, buddy. They come in there and just watch you plumb out. That old skip come in there and knock you plumb out of my receive. Hey, 408, have a blessed day, my friend. God bless you. 956 over here in Tennessee, right on this old border of the Kakalaki, and I'm gone.
Hey, man, thank you again for that bump down. Take care. Old 408 said that, the weakest station in the nation on this old DAC 9. Old 408, Stingray 408, Stingray 408, that YouTube.com. Back on the mail. Bye. Yep. Restoring that old bad boy. I cleaned her up, but she's still a little dirty, looks like, but it won't come off. I use that old magic eraser.
You gotta get up. You gotta get up. I said you gotta get up to lay this big old hammer down. 956 around the Carolina-Tennessee border, and I'm getting over here in the waiting room. I'm surprised that they ain't knocking you out of the field there, right? Because, man, you're bold out here in the cornfield.